Hey, welcome back. It's Faizy Iman, and look at my hair, guys. It is a wreck. It is just like super dry. It's shedding. My hair is pretty matted up in the back, and I've got like old product. I literally just shampooed it a week ago, so it has no reason to look like this, but it does. So I'm going to go ahead and make two of my favorite banana masks and show you guys how I use it to wake up my curls. All right, so here's my hair again, super dry and crispy and not looking good at all. And I'm applying the deep conditioning mask with the banana directly to my hair. I'm not gonna use that pre-poo that I made in this video because like I said, I shampooed like a week ago, so it's not necessary, but this banana treatment is gonna wake my curls right up. So I'm gonna apply that all over my hair. Obviously the goal is to make sure that you have every strand of hair completely coated. I'm gonna apply that all to the outside first. And then as I start to pull out shedded hair and detangle, I'm going to open up my sections and make sure that I apply the banana to the inside also. Never neglect your edges. Always make sure you get the ends nice and coated. And as your hair starts to soften and absorb, you can start to finger detangle and you should pull out more shedded hair as you go. Once that's done, I'm going to pop that in a twist so that it holds the moisture while I work on the other side and let that sit for about 30 minutes covered. When I take those twist downs about a half hour later, you can see my hair has absorbed so much of the product. My curls are already looking clumpy, already looking more moisturized and happy. And I'm gonna go ahead and just finger detangle it a little bit more while it's nice and moist, and then move forward with washing it out. All right, so I always use like lukewarm to cool water to wash it out. I want to keep those curl clumps that my hair started to form kind of together, so I'm not going to run my hands through my hair very much. I am going to make sure that I massage my scalp, of course, just to wash off any product and just let the water run through my hair as it rinses out. And that's it, guys. Here it is. An hour later, my hair looks so much better. You can tell my curls are still clumped. It's got a little banana in it. So like I said, make sure you blend that out so that you don't have any trouble with washing it all out later on. But just look at this. My hair is just completely different. You can see it's shiny. It's easy to run my hands through. I'm not pulling out any shedding. And it's got a good amount of shrinkage on it, which is always a good sign. It means healthy hair if it can bounce back. So really excited about that. But look, it just looks better. It feels better. This is a great way to go ahead and give your hair some life. If it was looking anything like mine, I'm going to give this a thumbs up. You guys should totally try it. If you like this video, you guys should give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment and subscribe. And I hope to catch you guys in my next video. Bye.